Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to adjust page layout in Adobe InDesign 2022. Let's get started. At first you have to open your InDesign software and you have to open a document. Now you can see we already open a document. Now you want to adjust the page layout, go to the file menu and go to the document setup option. You can open this document setup option using the keyboard shortcut key, press Ctrl Alt and P. Now you can see here the document setup. You can change the layout of the page here. Now you can make the number of page 3 and start it. You can make this one or another number. Otherwise you can add the facing page. Now I am added the facing page and you can change the size of page. Now I am made A5. Then click OK. Then zoom out the document and we can see we make the facing page and make A5 of page size. Now you can see we adjust the page layout very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for